transportation, accommodation, cuisine, and activities to do in the Maldives. So finally, we have arrived in Dubai after an incredible trip to Maldives. Today, I'll be sharing some tips on how you guys can also travel to Maldives on a budget.
What budget? When you're traveling with your wife, there's no budget.
What? Okay. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. My name is Prathamesh and you are watching Prathu Neha. Let's get started. So let's go back to Maldives and check what these guys are doing. Hello guys, good morning. This is day 2 in Maldives. So let's go for our first breakfast in Maldives. I'm very hungry. So till these guys finish their breakfast, let's break down everything you need to know from transportation, accommodation, cuisine, and activities to do in the Maldives. At the end of the video, I will also provide you the best islands to visit and of course some tips to make the most out of your experience. So as you land in the Maldives, depending on your stay, you can choose a speedboat or a local ferry. If you're planning to stay on a private island like we did, a private speedboat will be waiting for you outside the airport. This speedboat will take you to your resort within 15 to 20 minutes depending on the waves. If you have booked your resort on a public or a local island, it can easily be accessed via local ferries, which makes it a perfect budget option. So there are two main ways to get there: local ferries and speedboat transfers. For example, if you are traveling to an island like Mafushi, a speedboat transfer will cost you around $25 to $30 and it will take only 30 minutes to reach. On the other hand, a local ferry will cost you around $2 to $3, but it will take around 2 hours to reach. As you can see, a local ferry can save you a significant amount, but if you are short on time, a speedboat is the best choice you go with. So let's move to the other part of this video, that is accommodation. Accommodation will most likely be the biggest expense of your trip. On local islands, you will find budget-friendly options in small hotels and restaurants. For example, in Mafushi, a couple can book a comfortable hotel for around $50 to $75 per night, an incredible deal for the Maldives. However, we stayed on a private island where we paid around $1,000 to $1,300 per night, which was a full board plan. But here is the catch: these prices can change drastically. Stick around till the end of this video and I will share with you one simple trick to significantly reduce your accommodation cost. Now let's move to the third and my favorite part, that is food. When it comes to food, We enjoyed a delicious variety of dishes since our full board plan covered all meals. However, if you're dining at a local restaurant, you can enjoy a Maldivian meal at mere $5 to $10 per meal. Also, if you're willing to spend a bit more, you can also enjoy veg and non-veg options, especially for the Western cuisine. In this case, my recommendation will be select a stay with a hearty breakfast. So, you can plan your rest of the meals according to your budget and preferences. Now, let's talk about the experience because trust me, there is more to Maldives than just chilling on the beach. So, we tried two experiences, and trust me, if we go back, I'll do it again in a heartbeat. So, on our second morning, we woke up at 7 a.m. for our complimentary kayaking lesson for 30 to 45 minutes. And guess what? It was the best kayaking lesson we have ever had, mainly because it was the only kayaking lesson we have ever taken. For our next adventure, we rented a private boat. And then we set off on an adventure across the Maldives in search of dolphins and whale sharks. And let me tell you one thing, this was the most unforgettable experience of our lives. Now let's talk about the price. This private boat adventure cost us $100 for 90 minutes, and honestly, it was so worth it. So if you are looking for some adventure, there are plenty of things you can do as a couple. So on the screen, you can see a list of things which you can try as a couple. So do check it out. So the official language which is being spoken in Maldives is Maldivian or Divahi language, which is basically derived from Sri Lanka's Sinhala language. It is also said that it has some influences from Arabic, Hindi, as well as English language. Pretty interesting. Very refreshing. So here's another fun fact about Maldives. Malé, the capital city, is the world's smallest and most densely populated cities, covering 5.8 square kilometers.
Woohoo! We are here!
Okay, so we are heading out for dinner
Mm-hmm.
right now. It is around what is the time? 8 o'clock?
Around 8:30.
Around 8:30. So let's go and let's see how it is.
See you there.
See you there.
Bye.
Basically, the dinner timings are from 7 to 10 o'clock. So we are on time. But let's see.
My guess is correct.
Go for the ice cream. Yeah, maybe.
So, a little context to this. So, Trivia Quiz Night was a fun and interactive event held near our hotel restaurant where participants teamed up to answer questions across various categories like movies, history, pop culture, and more. It was all about testing your knowledge, of course, enjoying the challenge, and having a great time with your family and friends in a lively atmosphere.
Which music genre originated in Jamaica and features a common offbeat rhythm? Options: salsa, B, reggae, flamenco, and jazz.
Is it? Huh? Is it reggae?
I don't know, you go for it now.
I'll go with reggae.
Okay.
Okay.
So the answer is reggae, guys. Okay, here we
My
go
guess
for the
is
next one.
correct.
And B for D, Beyonce. Okay. The right answers these days. Okay, guys, so raise your hands. Who says the answer C, Lady Gaga? Oh, that means everybody got a point again. It is Lady Gaga. Right. McKenna's gold. Anybody raise your hand? Oh.
I think. Yeah, maybe. Magkala.
D, option D, McKenna's work.
I only got one answer. One of the team is only getting the point. Any idea? So the answer is Makina's goal. Habibi gets the point.
Good guess.
Don't cut. So that means the answer is the Lone Ranger. So team 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this one you have to scream answer right now. Scream answer, scream. Scream.
Scream, friends.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. The answer is friends. Come on, guys, so simple. So Come on, guys.
So, till these guys finish singing, let's quickly talk about some traveling tips and the best islands to visit in the Maldives. So, there are many islands you can visit in Maldives, but these are my top 4 suggestions for you. First is Thulusdu, then Mafushi, Fulidu, and Degura. These are the 4 islands you can easily visit in Maldives. Now, let's talk about Thulusdu, a lively island known for surfing spots, local culture, and budget friendly stays. Great for adventure seekers and those waiting for a more authentic Maldivian vibe. Now let's talk about Mafushi, the most popular budget friendly island packed with guest houses, water activities, and excursions. Ideal for first time visitors and social travelers. Now, Fulidu is a quiet and peaceful island known for its tranquility, marine life, and cultural experiences. Perfect for couples or anyone who is looking to relax away from the crowd. Now let's talk about Degura, an island famous for whale shark sightings and its long sandbank. This island is favorite for snorkeling, diving, and for nature lovers. Now let's talk about some bonus tips we are waiting for.
So next up we have our bonus round.
The first are flights. If you're looking for some affordable flights, you can check on Google Flights and Skyscanner. The pro tip will be always check the rates on Tuesdays and Thursdays where you will get the maximum discount on your flight. Now let's talk about how you can hunt a hotel in Maldives. In this case, you need to understand that there are 2 seasons in Maldives. First is the dry season and the second is the wet season. So the dry season starts from December to April, where the accommodation prices are on a higher side. On the other hand, in the wet season, which starts from May to November, you will find the same prices on a discounted rate.
Onion and cabbage.
Cabbage? Carrot?
Okay.
So clever is.
Be carrot.
How come?
To get the points. Habibi and Elena.
Venus or Saturn? Wait, Venus.
Everybody said the same answer, but except one team. So one team who said the different answer is the right answer. That means everybody else said Saturn, but the answer is Venus. Only half teams get the point again.
Goat, I think.
Who knows the answer?
I think goat. Deer?
Anybody? Not everybody's answer. Everybody said different answers, but I got the right answer from everybody, some of you guys as well. The answer is option C, good. We counted the points. We didn't miss any points. The third prize is a spa voucher coupon, and that is going for Team A. Team 189. Yeah, you guys 189. First prize, which is going to be a sparkling wine. That is going for Team. Anybody guesses? Yeah? What is that? First one, exactly. So the winner is Team A. Habibi. Come on, guys, come on. Back. Okay, thank you guys for joining us tonight. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you.